phone. Sorry about that guy, he just ran over me. I got my dash cam. Call 911.
Calling emergency services.
Take a picture of his license.
Put my phone on your phone.
North on Highway 27, I had a GMC white pickup truck run me over. He's running from me right now. License plate 4F0926.
No, 906. I mean 9Z6.
9Z6. He ran over me and he's running away from the scene.
Okay, he like ran over you physically, or
No, I'm getting into the interstate. He ran right now. He seems to be stopping right now. 4F0.
Okay, so he ran into you and you were still following him on 27?
Yeah, now he's pulling over now.
Okay, where are you pulling over? Can you tell me a mile marker?
It's right before the Morrison Spring exit. I'm not going to get out because he was a very aggressive driver, and I'm not going to sit here and confront him.
Okay, nobody's hurt, right?
No, he just ran. Get back in your vehicle. I'm calling the police. I got the police. Don't open.
Okay, where are you stopped at?
I'm calling the police. Get back in your vehicle. No. Get in the back of the vehicle. No, you ran over me.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did. I got on dash cam. I'm merging in. You ran right over me.
Going 40. No, listen.
Police will be here. I got on dash cam, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Sir,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I got it.
Can you get into your vehicle and get away from him?
I'm in the vehicle. The vehicle's locked.
You're in your vehicle. Okay, what kind of vehicle are you in?
I'm in a red Ford Focus hatchback. I have a disabled vet tag. He seems like he's leaving right now. I have it on dash
Okay,
cam.
I've got this information for officers to be on the lookout for him. I do not want you to follow him. Okay?
I'm not. He's leaving now. He's going 27 north. I got two witnesses in the car. I was merging into the lane. He just ran right up my side. He was right behind me on the entrance ramp. I'm merging into the left, the 27 north, and he just ran right in me. He's gone. He's at 27 north right now. He's past the Morrison Spring
I've
exit.
got this in for officers I've got officers on the lookout for him in that area, okay? What's your name?
My name is Brett Hale. Let me just hang here until they come.
Yeah, just go ahead and stay there. Are you on the right shoulder?
Yes, ma'am. I got the flashers on. I don't know what damage he's done to my car, but he basically golly, and he just ran right. Almost lost control.
Can you see a mile marker? Can you see a mile marker at all for where you are?
I can look at my GPS. I'm right. I can see the Morrison Spring exit sign right now. And I'm looking at probably a mile, less than a mile away.
Okay. Okay, I've got this, and I'm showing you near 600 Highway 27 northbound. I've got that. You're right before the Morrison Springs exit sign. We'll have someone come out there and make contact with you, okay?
Yeah, I'm trying to look for a GPS coordinate, but I don't have it right now.
Okay, that's all right. We'll have someone find you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Sorry about that, guys.
You're fine.
I was getting over to the left. You got it? Okay, good. Well, I got it on dash cam.
Yeah.
He just ran right up my...
It's like,
Unbelievable. I want to look at what damage he did, but I don't want to get out of this.
get out of these cars for me.
Maybe I should just scoot over just a little bit more so I can get off too close to it. And he saw my dash cam. That's why he took off. I don't know why he did that. See, it says car stop. It's me. I can't. The problem is when you try to play it back on the dash cam here, the screen's too small, so I take the little disc out and